On my knees, I call your name. Through the trial, you're the same. Whisper tear, you always hear. In your presence, I draw near. Lord, hear my prayer, take my hand, guide me through where I can stand. You are my shelter, strong and true, forever my heart belong to you.